Good morning, everyone. I am happy to be back for my fourth and final video from my series in Redondo Beach, California about both the International Boardwalk and the King Harbor. The minute you are done walking at the end of the Redondo Beach Pier is the minute you start exploring the International Boardwalk. The best views are actually at the top of the parking lot that connects them. Take the path around for a scenic walk and then see if you can notice your favorite city all the way in the back corner. Keep walking until you see a set of stairs that has many different designs of sea life. You'll then come across many tables and outdoor patios that are located on top of the many pubs and restaurants on the lower level. The Boardwalk is an attraction that goes back to the early 1960s and is today a destination full of creative and comic artwork, a very beautiful and colorful place to be, and is even more so during sunset when the sun shines directly on it. It's the place you come to when you want to experience many water sports and go on boat cruises that will take you around within the breakwater and also out to the ocean. If you explore within the breakwater, there's no doubt you'll see a lot of seals, and if you go out into the ocean, there's a good chance you'll see countless amounts of dolphins. The Boardwalk is also the place you visit when you want some fresh seafood, but before I start talking about the seafood and the activities, I want to say one thing, and that is first things first, which means I want to talk about a great restaurant for breakfast and also another beautiful way to get here. Besides coming from the pier, another way to get here is through a big green spacious park that's located off Catalina Avenue. It offers plenty of ocean views and is another great place to watch the sunset. With the park being right above the Boardwalk, it's needless to say that it's another awesome lookout spot. As for breakfast, the R10 Social House is steps away. The restaurant is located in a corner with one side offering views of the Boardwalk and then the other side having an outdoor patio facing the breakwater. They serve brunch every weekend and their avocado crab toast topped with a fried egg is their most popular. Both the breakfast burrito with potatoes and the waveless rancheros with black beans sell very well. To say the least, enjoy looking out and waking up with a cup of coffee. For lunch or dinner, the cheeseburger is a great suggestion, and then for dessert, it's another great place for both churros and ice cream. But whatever you choose, it will be great fuel for the many water activities you can do afterwards, which is what I will be talking about next. The Boardwalk has many kinds of boats you can go on, ranging from kayaks, sailboats, pedal boats, and so much more. The first one I would like to talk about that is a family-friendly activity is the glass bottom boat, which takes you cruising for an hour within the breakwater area and to a small platform where many seals like to relax and get a suntan. The boat has an informative captain that will tell you about some history and cool facts about the King Harbor. During the second part of the boat ride, you can go downstairs and see many different kinds of fish, including the California state fish called the Garibaldi. The other activity that I want to suggest that is for everyone is the whale watching company. It's a 2.5-hour boat ride that takes you on all kinds of routes and has plenty of knowledgeable guides that can tell you a lot about both the whales and marine life. Almost the entire time, there were dolphins swimming under and alongside our boat, and countless more in the distance. We saw plenty of whales at multiple locations at many different times during the trip. Those are obviously my own words from my personal experience, but now I invite you all to hear more from Mike, who is the owner of the Redondo Beach Sport Fishing and Whale Watching Company.
How's it going, guys? Mike here from the Navigante at Redondo Beach Sport Fishing and Whale Watch. Just want to give you guys a quick little rundown what we do here in Redondo Beach. We do have a whale watch boat. It's a Navigante, doing whale watch trips every weekend. And when it's whale watch season, after the day after Christmas, starting December 26th, our first whale watch trip starts at 10 a.m., comes back at 12:30. We also offer boat ride trips every weekend, leaving on the hour. They're 45 minutes. Check out some sea lions, then they go outside and check out the ocean, see if we can find some more mammals. Other than that, guys, you guys want to get a hold of us, you guys want to make a reservation or book with us, go to www.redondobeachsportfishing.com for any questions and concerns. And other than that, guys, hope to see you guys. We do, like I said, offer other little things here at the marina. We do have sport fishing as well. Like I said, just get a hold of the website there. Other than that, hope to see you guys soon here.
Hi, I'm Jeff Jones, president of Quality Seafood right here in Redondo Beach, the home of Quality Time from the South Bay. Come on down and check us out. We've got everything you can think of when it comes to seafood: lobsters, oysters, clams, mussels, fish, clam chowder, right here on the beautiful International Boardwalk in Redondo Beach. Come see us.
Well, those were some great words from both Mike and Jeff. Seafood after whale watching is not a bad way to spend your afternoon at the Boardwalk. It will be around late morning when the area starts to smell like fish or fresh seafood, and it will most likely be coming from Quality Seafood. Jeff did say that they do have clam chowder, and it was something I truly enjoyed in a bread bowl while having a view from their second-story outdoor patio. The calamari is another top suggestion I have to offer, but you can't go wrong with the fish tacos, and the shrimp burger is a popular seller. But whatever you decide to get, be sure to have it with a side of fries. The restaurant has been in business since 1953 and has so many different selections to choose from. They also have a gift shop, so feel free to check that out before or after lunch. After you make your way from Quality Seafood and the gift shop, you will notice many more restaurants, pubs, and souvenir stores. The Mexican restaurant known as Baja Chef has great carne asada burritos. The Slippery Bar and Grill is a great and average-sized pub that is popular for their cheeseburgers. Project Barley is one of the newer pubs, which is partnered with Proudly Serving LA, that also serves amazing burgers. Be sure to get their French fries that are thrown in duck fat for extra taste. The King Harbor Brewery and Najas are both great places to relax with a few beers and also live music. If you have a sweet tooth, you can't go wrong with International Ice Cream. If you want churros drizzled with strawberry and caramel sauce, then World Churros is your destination. As for gift shops, I would like to suggest TradeWinds if you are looking for a souvenir. This is where I bought my shirt from. I thought it made me look lean and green, so I wanted to buy it and take a moment to show you all around in there. Another shop I would like to talk about and suggest is the Paddle House. It's another great place for more shirts, sunglasses, and souvenirs. If you want to rent a paddleboard, this is the place to go. You can even go at night when the paddleboards are lit up. If you go during the daytime, be on the lookout for more dolphins. Before I start talking about the King Harbor, please listen to a few words from Patrick on what he would like to say about his store and business.
Hey guys, welcome to Redondo Beach. This is Paddle House. You see, we do a lot of paddleboarding here. We got paddleboards for rent. We also offer a cool monthly deal where you can do $99 a month and do unlimited paddleboarding. You can see it's a beautiful day down here. Start paddleboarding.
I'm standing at the beginning of the King Harbor right now, which is just steps away from the International Boardwalk and holds roughly 1,000 boat slips. The construction of the breakwater goes back to the year 1938, but it was put to a halt due to the Second World War. It wasn't until 1956 that the breakwater was completed after further construction was authorized by Congressman Cecil King, which is where King Harbor got its name from. There's an information display and historical pictures at the start of the splash wall for your convenience. As for the splash wall, it will take you for a good 10-minute walk while getting some partial views of the pier, the beach, and watching boats come in and out all day. Some restaurants you will notice along the way is the Samba Brazilian Steakhouse, located at the beginning of the splash wall. They have amazing views of the breakwater, both inside and also on their outdoor patio. Be sure to get the meat platter that comes with beef, chicken, Brazilian sausage, and many delicious sides. For dessert, they have plenty to offer between the cheesecake and flan. Steps away from the boardwalk is Captain Kidd's, which is another popular seafood restaurant and is a favorite by many locals. I recommend going with their shrimp tacos with a side of garlic fries or the salmon with a side of macaroni salad. After talking about some of the restaurants, I now want to briefly mention the hotels. The King Harbor area has some of the best hotels to stay at in all of Redondo Beach, being just a short walk from the boardwalk and the pier, and then a very short drive to the Riviera Village and the Esplanade. Located at the end of the splash wall is the luxury Portofino Hotel. The nearest hotels to the boardwalk and the pier are both the Sonesta Hotel and the Redondo Beach Hotel, which are right across the street from each other. A hotel that I would like to talk a little bit more about is the small, luxury and boutique Shade Hotel that's located right across from the famous giant whale mural. There's a giant jacuzzi located on the rooftop deck that overlooks the marina, and then a restaurant at the bottom called the Sea Level that has an outdoor patio just steps away from the water and with small fire pits on their tables. So when you get to the end of the King Harbor, there are two ways to go. The first one is up Redondo Street, which has plenty of murals and artwork to see. About a mile up the road is the Redondo Beach Historical Society, if you are interested more in history. Not to mention, it's a beautiful location full of flowers. The other way is to the next beach city of Hermosa Beach, which has more great restaurants, nightlife spots, and plenty of places to suntan. The only thing I have left to say is I would like to thank you all for watching my Redondo Beach series, and it was truly an honor showing and telling you all what the city is about, and I'm looking forward to doing it again in the near future with my next city I have planned. Stay tuned!